Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this piece. So we will need one alcohol ink paper. We'll need 99% IPA. I am using alcohol inks from the brand Maya Inks in the shade. First one is golden yellow and the second one is orange, and the third one I will be using is the red color. I will be using Panasonic hair styler for blowing out the inks. To start with, I am making small dots of the alcohol inks by alternating the colors and drying them out. Now I'll start adding little bit of IPA and blowing it out in the form of a petal. I'll make these petal shapes in different directions. Here I'm reworking on few of the petals which I want to be little bit thicker. This is how the final piece turned out. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.